Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to transfer Shopify store ownership step by step. Are you considering selling your Shopify business or simply ready to pass the baton to someone else? If you're in this position, it's essential to understand how to transfer your Shopify store's ownership smoothly. This process might seem daunting at first, but don't worry. We're going to break it down step by step, ensuring that you can handle this transition with confidence and ease. Now, let's jump right in and explore each step in detail. Our journey begins at the very heart of your online business, your Shopify admin page. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to this familiar dashboard where you manage all aspects of your store. Once you're on the home page of your Shopify admin, your next task is to find the Settings option. This can be located in the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on Settings will open a new panel, revealing a variety of options for you to manage different aspects of your store. With the Settings section open, it's time to focus on users and permissions. This is a critical section because it dictates who has the authority to access and control different parts of your Shopify store. Click on Users and Permissions, and you'll see a list of current users, each with different levels of access and control over your store's operations. The next vital step is to find the option labeled Transfer Ownership. You'll typically find this option nestled within your account settings. It's here that the real magic happens, where you'll start the process of officially transferring your store to the new owner. Click on Transfer Ownership, and you'll encounter a form with several fields that need your attention. Each field is crucial for ensuring the transfer is smooth and secure. The first piece of information you'll need is the email address of the individual to whom you're transferring the store. Double-check to make sure this email is correct. Accuracy is critical here to ensure the new owner receives access without any issues. Next, you will enter the new owner's first and last names. Personalizing this information helps confirm the identity of your chosen successor, tying the transfer request to a real person. Moving on, you'll be asked to enter your own password. This step acts as a security measure to verify that it's indeed you who is authorizing the transfer. By entering your password, you're protecting your store from unauthorized changes and ensuring that the process is legitimate. Once all the required information has been meticulously entered and verified, the final step is to click on Transfer Store Ownership. This action completes the process, officially handing over the reins of your Shopify store to its new owner. Take a moment to reflect on this milestone, as you've successfully transitioned your business to its next chapter. And there you have it, folks. Each step laid out clearly to guide you through transferring your store ownership with ease and confidence. We at PMN Online hope this detailed tutorial has been helpful and wish both you and the new store owner immense success in your future endeavors. That's it for this tutorial on how to transfer Shopify store ownership step by step. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.